You have to distribute both numbers in front of their respective parentheses. That's what you would do first. That's your first step. I'm going to combine like terms on the right side. So I have negative 32 minus 6. That's a negative 38. I have a negative 12n
0.
plus 12n. Well, that's just going to be 0. He's just going to go away.
Wait a minute. I have a question.
Hold on. Negative 38 equals negative 38. Well, that's always going to be true. Negative 38 is always going to equal itself. That's always true. So your answer is all real numbers because your variable went away. So you have 7n plus 3n equals 0. Can I combine like terms right here?
You can.
So I have 10n equals 0. So I have 10 times a number equals 0. How do I get the 10 away from the n?
Dividing?
Those 10s are going to cancel out. And whatever you do to the one side, you got to do to the other. So your variable n equals 0. Minus 7b equals negative 4. Are these like terms?
Yes.
So that goes to 0, right? Bring down your right side. Can 0 ever equal negative 4?
Yes.
No. When is 0 going to equal negative 4?
Never.
So that's never true. So your answer is no solution.
Oh.
That's your answer.